Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable background Wi-Fi scanning on your Windows 10 computer. So if you don't want Windows to automatically scan for other wireless networks within range, in today's tutorial I will show you guys how to turn that off. So pretty straightforward process, and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in services, best match should come back with services listed right above app. Go ahead and open that up. Locate the WLAN auto config service and double click on it. You want to go ahead and set the startup type to manual, and the service status is running. You want to go ahead and select stop. So again, manual, and you want to make sure it's stopped. So if it started here, you want to go ahead and select the stop button, and then you select apply and OK. Close out of here, and once you restart your system, it should not be automatically starting back up when your computer starts up. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.